the export ecosystem include issues around product adaptation for the markets they intend to access. And product adaptation not only looks at the packaging, but also the cultural nuances that allow the product to be acceptable, whether in terms of the branding, in terms of size, in terms of actual language discussion on the packaging. So one of the things then we also train the SMEs to be aware of such a product adaptation issues. We also know before the product adaptation, there's also international standards of compliance that are required for depending on the product that which you're exporting. So there also are certifications that those export products must go through. And through our collaboration, having identified them, we can be able to see how you can be facilitated to get your certifications.
So we're bringing in DHL Express, where we move goods by air. We're bringing in DHL Global Forwarding. It will move goods by road, by sea, by air freight. We're bringing in supply chain, which will look into warehousing. So we are opening this up to a wider scope. We will be able to help export of perishables. We'll be able to help with most of the other non-temperature regulated requirement products. So we are opening up to Kenyan SMEs, whatever they have that is in need globally, we will help them move those products. Just to give you perspective, we have a DHL plane that comes into Kenya every day. It carries fresh flowers from Kenya. We connect the Kenyan flower farmers with the global market. We are also carrying meat, fresh meat to the Middle East using the DHL plane that comes into Kenya every day. So what we are setting out to do with the able leadership of Keproba is to assess what our SMEs have, what they would want to export. We will connect them with that market. We will establish the market requirements, and we will find the proper, efficient, competitive logistics of taking the goods from Kenya to the buyer. We have launched a product called Avocado Express. Avocado Express is a DHL optimized solution for our avocado farmers. We have proper packaging, and in the packaging, we have an active component that will help your avocado not to ripen too quickly. So you can actually give DHL Express your fresh avocados in our packaging, where the avocado is packaged properly and it will be carried within our network, and you can use that service to access many potential buyers of avocados.